Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the 14 C notes on estimating probabilities from data. Okay, at the end of this, you should be able to say I can predict probabilities given data from a real life situation. Okay, so just have one example for you here, and this is from page 460. And you have all this data here, short-term visitors to Australia. Main reason for journey, April, May, and June of 2003, and this is in thousands. And it gives you all the different reasons, and it gives you the total. Okay, so, excuse me, with that, let's do what is the probability that a person who arrived in June was here on a holiday. So, let's see, A. So they arrived in June. All the total possibilities. There's 308.3 thousand people that arrived in June of 2003. And of those, the people on holiday were 156.5. 156.5 of them. So let's calculate that out, see what we get. All right, so we take 156.5 and divide it by 308.3. And we get 50.8%, I guess, if we round it off. 50.8% chance. So a little bit better than 50% chance that they are on holiday from if they arrived in June. All right. B, what's the probability that a person coming to Australia arrived in May? So this has got to be of all the people. So that is 308.3 thousand. Oh, wait. Sorry. That's just part of it. We got to add all three of the months up. So 321.5 plus 260.9 plus 308.3. So person that arrived in June, probability that a person coming to Australia arrived in May. So May was 260.9. 260.9. All right, so we just need to calculate that. So let's add up the denominator first. 321.5 plus 260.9 plus 308.3 excuse me, gives us a total of 890.7. And we have 260.9 over 890.7. 890. So let's do 260.9 divided by 890.7. And we get 29.29, so let's go with 29.3%. All right, so those are our first two answers there. Okay, and before we do the last one, I just want to show you this quick little video on game shows that I found pretty funny.
Edgar, fish love? Sorry. Jenny?
Wish list.
Name something you feel before you buy it.
Excited.
A vegetable you marinate.
Grapes.
Name something you might buy that could turn out to be phony.
Yeah, a horse.
The dreaded phony horse gag.
And that is probably one of the big reasons why I would never want to be on a game show, because I would answer something stupid like one of those people. Anyway, last one here. Lars arrived in Australia in April, May, or June of 2003. He came to visit his brother. What's the probability that he arrived in April? All right. So what we want to do is we want to get all the people that are visiting, family, friends, and relatives. So that is 77.5 52.7, and 59.9. Those are all the people that were visiting relatives. And then what's the probability that he arrived in April? So that would be the 77.5. All right. So we'll do the same thing. Add up all the denominator, 77.5 and 52.7 and 59.9. We get 190.1. And we have 77.5 of them arrived. Sorry, not percent, but 77.5 thousand of them arrived in April. All right, so divide those two, and we are good to go. So let's see, 77.5 divided by 190.1 gives us 40.8%. Okay. Really, that's all there is for 14C. You should now be able to say I can predict probabilities given data from a real life situation. All right. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks.